As bike sales' biggest event of the year, the Bike of the Year Mega Test needs a safe, spacious and capable support van. And in 2020 it was Mercedes-Benz who answered the call with this, the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 519 CDI. This rear-wheel drive, long wheelbase, high roof Sprinter sure looked the part as it followed our 9 test motorcycles over 5 days through the Victorian high country, looking more like a security entourage than a humble van in its glittering black metallic paint. We thought it a fitting choice for this year's Bike of the Year Awards, 2020 also being the 25th anniversary of the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. This grunty model is powered by a 3-litre V6 turbo diesel, the flagship Sprinter power plant, with the urge fed to its dual rear wheels via Benz's slick 7G-tronic 7-speed auto. There's plenty of urge to go round, that's for sure, with maximum claimed outputs that put many other large vans to shame. But it's the workhorse ability of this Sprinter that matters most, and here it delivers with a cavernous load bay and a generous payload limit. Even so, it still has a car licence-friendly gross vehicle mass of 4.49 tonnes and a superb brake towing limit of 3.5 tonnes. We barely touched its load potential during this test, the van thankfully only having to cart some spares, water and snacks, plus a few bags of gear. And with a load bay measuring over 4.3 metres long, this isn't even the longest wheelbase available. An extra long wheelbase variant adds a further 400mm. On the road, the engine is willing and the ride is surprisingly comfortable, even without much weight in the back. The suspension handles average surfaces well, and the Sprinter proved itself more than up to the challenge of the high country's twisting alpine roads. The driver, meanwhile, is cosseted in a level of comfort most wouldn't readily associate with a van. In fact, anyone who drives a modern Mercedes-Benz car will feel right at home, thanks to features like the MBUX multimedia system, the instrumentation and the common driver assist and safety systems. The latter extend to adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping, traffic sign recognition and much more. Plus a superb 360-degree camera setup that makes parking the big Sprinter a breeze. Like the 10.25-inch MBUX system and the full bulkhead, they're some of many factory options fitted to our test vehicle, which add over $14,000 to its price. Over the 5-day, 1,500km Bike Sales Bike of the Year test, it was pretty clear why the Sprinter has, over the last quarter century, cemented itself as the dominant force in Australia's large van segment. It's practical and highly capable, yet with the safety and comfort you'd expect of today's passenger cars. In short, it's the best of both worlds.